चेन्नई, जहां पर सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री एम वेंकैया नायडू एक कार्यक्रम को संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
You are not that much fluent in other language. Trying to speak in that language will be little difficult. So I don't want to venture that. Otherwise, I would have been comfortable to speak some Tamil and also some Kannada also. But then I'll be doing injustice to Malayalam. Nowadays, everything is being looked from this angle. Some people ask me, sir, you belong to whom? I said, I belong to India. I belong to India. I am born in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Brought up particularly in Hyderabad, now Telangana. Got elected from Karnataka. My daughter lives in Tamil Nadu. Even I have a house in Tamil Nadu, where I may also come at the end of my political this thing. And then now I am MP from Rajasthan. So what am I? Am I a Telugu or a Tamil or a Kannada or a Malayali or a Telangana or Rajasthani? I only say I am only Bharatiya. So friends, this spirit has to be there in everybody. We should feel proud of our language, undoubtedly. You feel proud that you are a Tamilian, you are a Kannadiga, you are a Malayali, you are a Telugu, or you are a Telangana. But at the same time, we should all feel proud that we are Indians and we are Bharatiyas. That is the feeling that has come. अलग भाषा अलग वेश फिर भी अपना एक देश विविधता में एकता भारत का विशेषता వేషం భాష వేరైనా మనమంతా భారతీయులు అనే భావన అందరిలో పెట్టుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. Just now I was telling my PA that saying you let us, my secretary saying that hereafterwards no garlands. So but today I think this is the last garland. I have decided in my life I will not accept any garlands hereafterwards because becoming too heavy. People nowadays, you know, the entire society is watching everybody. What are you doing? How are you conducting yourself? How are you behaving? People are watching. And then this sort of extravaganza is not normally liked by the people. I have been telling my friends, everybody, every time they say, sir, this is the last time. And every time they say, this is the last time. Like God may last time, appu repu annatuga. So I have decided today, I will hereafterwards accept only either a kanduva of a khadi kanduva or a handloom kanduva, nothing else in the coming days. I have made up my mind and I want to take this occasion. See, friends, one has to lead as far as possible simple. We have the great example of the simplest man of great Thiru Kamaraj Nadar from Tamil Nadu. He became great. You have another simple man, Annaduraiji, another great man, very simple. So I can't be anywhere nearer to them, but in my own way, I want to avoid this in future. So I want to make that announcement from this dais today that to all people, please don't come with garlands and all. If so much affection is there, one small flower can be given. I'm not against floriculture. Floriculture also is required very much for the country. But this sort of extravaganza is not required. That apart, friends, I'm very happy that I have come here. But you must understand, I am only 1 week or 10 days old as a minister. I am yet to understand fully the various dimensions of the ministry. I know public life, I know governance, I know politics, but everyone has to learn about many aspects in life. I always feel that everyone has to learn, including politicians, learn, not yearn. That should be the... And I always try to learn and improve myself. That's how I come to this level. I was not born in any big family. I am born in an ordinary farmer's family. None of my family members were in politics or the title of Gandhiji or Nehruji or anything. There was no G. But still, how I came up to this level? There is no dynasty. In this country, dynasty is nasty in democracy, but tasty to many people in this country. so and so's son, so and so's daughter, so and so's this grandson, or so and so's this thing and all. I don't know. You have to select and elect leaders on the basis of their character, caliber, capacity, and conduct, discipline, dynamism, and dedication, not on the basis of their dynasty, because dynasty will not give you the same qualities. Pandita Putra Suntaha, there is also saying. And also ordinary people becoming Pandit nowadays. Great also. So I have come up to this level because I have been learning right from my school days to now. The only thing I have learned is learn, work hard, be disciplined.
ये था चेन्नई से सीधा प्रसारण, जहां पर सूचना एवं प्रसारण मंत्री एम वेंकैया नायडू मीट द मिनिस्टर कार्यक्रम को संबोधित कर रहे थे, जहां पर उन्होंने सार्वजनिक जीवन में शुचिता की बात कही, साथ ही साथ अलग भाषा, अलग वेश लेकिन अपना प्यारा देश यानी कि भारतीयता सर्वोपरि रखे जाने की भावना का भी उन्होंने उद्गार किया, और साथ ही साथ लोगों से सादगी और मितव्ययिता पर जोर देते हुए राजनीतिक जीवन और सार्वजनिक जीवन को बेहद सफल और सधे हुए तरीके से चलाए जाने की अपील की, और लोगों को बताया कि हर एक व्यक्ति को भारतीयता के भावना को सर्वोपरि रूप से रखना चाहिए, भले ही वो जिस वेश, परिवेश और प्रदेश का हो।